Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a basic and simple Java application, and then after we are going to Dockerize that application by using the Docker desktop. So let's get started with creating our Java class. So at the end of today's session, actually, we are going to learn how to create a simple Java console application, how to Dockerize it, and after Dockerizing it, we are going to create our Java container. And on the top of that container, we are going to run hello world process on the top of that container. So let's create our basic Java class and name it as the my hello world Java application. So the content is going to be easy public class, and it's gonna write in the screen as an output, hello world, welcome to Serkanov's channel. This is going to be a class, my hello world class, and it's gonna write this output to the screen. So this is just easy, a piece of Java code. So let's get Dockerize this application. So, in order to Dockerize any application, first you have to create your Dockerfile. So I'm going to create a Dockerfile on the same indentation with my Java application. So I'm going to name it Dockerfile. Actually, with this Dockerfile, I'm going to Dockerize hello world Java application. So, we are starting with the from instruction, and right after the from instruction we are defining a base image. Okay, so our application image and our application dependencies and our application codes is going to build on the top of this base image. It's called Alpine image. So after getting the Alpine base image into our Docker file, so now we are going to cd into that Alpine image root directory. Okay, we are going to cd into Alpine image root directory with the work dir command. With the work dir command, we are making a declaration, and we are telling here that so there is a root directory into this base image, and we are gonna create a my hello world subdirectory under this root directory, and we will cd into over there. Yeah, with this work dir instruction, we are doing that. We are creating my hello world directory under the root directory, and we are cd into in that hello world. So what we are gonna do that? So actually we are gonna get this source code, hello world Java source code, into this my hello world directory. Let's get our source code into this my hello world directory. So we are copying this my hello world.java code from this directory, our local directory. Actually, this is our local directory. We are getting it from over there, my hello world.java class, and I'm copying it into this root my hello world directory. And I'm just copying from here, and I'm putting it under the newly created nested directory. Okay, I'm just copying the source code from my local computer, and I'm putting it into the image. And you know why we are creating this Docker file, and we are defining all of the declarations. We are making all of the declarations in order to create our image. So we are going to use this Dockerfile in order to create our Docker image. For that reason, we are getting all of the source codes and packages from the local directory into this image. So now we are going to run some Java specific instructions. So in this block, we are starting with the key installation. So AP key, this is actually a specific key in order to run Java code. So we are installing Java Development Kit 8 version into this image with this run. You know, the run instruction is used for installing any necessary packages into our Docker images. So right after that, we are making two declarations, environment variable declaration. You know, this is Java home path, and we are adding that Java home path to the container path. Okay, so, and right after this necessary packages installation, we are running another command. It's called javak. This is compiling my Hello World Java application. You know, I have installed my Hello World Java application into my Docker image. So with this Java compile command, I am compiling that piece of Java class. So while I'm compiling, you know, in order to run any Java-based code, we have to compile at the very beginning. So then after we are gonna provide cmd command. I am providing cmd command. This command is gonna run on once I have executed this container. It's gonna run a Java code, and this Java code is going to execute my compiled my hello world.java code. Okay, let's get save it and close it. So now I'm going to provide some Docker commands. The first command is going to be Docker build command. -t is going to create my Docker image. And you can name it. I will name it as the Java. And I will create this image in my local computer. Yeah, you see layer by layer what I have defined in this Docker file. Layer by layer, I am installing and I am creating my Docker image. So I'm going to create this Docker image and in my local computer, and I will reference it while creating my Java Docker container. Okay, I'm gonna use that Java image just to create my Java container. So it is taking some time because there are some Java packages installed into this image as the binary. For that reason, and provisioning a Java image is taking some time. So it is created. Now we can check it with the Docker images command. So this is going to give my newly created latest Docker image. So it is 128 megabyte actually. So now I'm gonna reference this Java image in my computer. Let me clear my screen. So I will create Docker container, Java container. So once I have created this Java container, and this container is gonna write on the screen, hello world message. Okay. Once I have executed this container, this is gonna write a hello world message to the screen. Okay. Let's run this container by referencing our newly created image. Docker run, you know, and Docker run command right after we are specifying Java image that we have created just now. This is gonna write hello world message. Welcome to Serkanov's channel. Okay, we have successfully created our Java-based Docker container. So we have Dockerized our simple console Java application. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. See you later.